To check battery temperature on the Samsung A07, you can easily do that by using the battery temperature application from the Play Store. You can find here a lot of different applications. I can recommend you to use, for example, Accu Battery. So you have to download this application, and first of all, when you open this one, you will have to just scroll like this, and as you can see here, we have to click to finish, and over here we can go for charging information. There we go. We can also turn off all of those information, but below, as you can see, we can find some base information: battery wear, charge speed, capacity. When you go for the battery health, we can also find a lot of things, a lot of different information. And when you go for the discharging, we can find the temperature over here. So in this application, you can actually find a lot of different information, but the temperature is actually visible when you go for the discharging.